In this video, I discuss COQ INU, an Avalanche meme coin, one of the best, and exactly what it would take, how many tokens to turn over $1 million. We talk about recent updates with this particular coin, and also look at some of the other Avalanche meme coins and compare them to the Solana meme coins that have been pumping a little recently. In terms of Twitter, the account I don't think has grown that much in the last few days, probably a little bit steadily. The main bullish news when it comes to these types of meme coins is usually brand new listings. When they get listed in massive exchanges, that can be very bullish. But also when they think outside the box, they start doing different things. For example, investing in NFT collections, or they might be doing some other sort of utility with their token, for example, inventing different types of bots, etc. You can see there's a kind of nice summary here of exactly what's going on. They confirmed there's over 40,000 chain holders, which is really good. Yeah, funnily enough, I was just generally talking about things meme coins do, and it does look like, yeah, they're going to make their own sniping bot like every other big meme coin, so fair enough. Also, I've got on here some mints. They're going to do some merch, some shirts, hoodies, usual stuff. So nothing incredible or brand new, but yeah, it's nice that they're involving themselves with all of this. Also, Pepe portraits, etc. So this is really good to hear. So they're very busy as a team at the moment. So that's good. That's exactly what you want to see, and you want to see continued growth, because to keep these meme coins moving, you do need a good bit of momentum. Now, a couple of interesting things we saw on the chart in terms of moves up. So after we got that initial pump and kind of dumped back down in terms of price never really returned back to the original support levels we saw when it first launched, and that's a good sign. It's a good sign that it's holding well above that. That's the first good sign. The other thing we saw is two pumps. So this first one, this was, in my opinion, to do with the Avalanche team and their team saying, especially their team of culture, saying that they were going to support some meme coins on their chain, and they understand why meme coins are so important as a culture and blah, blah, blah. So that's really good. So that got a little bit of pump there, but then it died off with the volume. Now, recently, it's more to do with kind of Bitcoin ETF narrative, and Avalanche is involved there because, to be honest, this is all priced in US dollars, and AVAX itself from here has kind of been moving up itself as well. So I don't think in general the this particular meme coin has actually moved up on its own recently. So just to be aware of that, I think this is just generally AVAX drifting up. However, at the same time, if this keeps going up, because this is priced in dollars, if Avalanche keeps going up in terms of price, then this will inevitably keep rallying up. However, if AVAX takes a strong dump right now, I don't think this will outperform, because it seems to be just following the market. So be very aware of that. Now, how are the other ones doing? Well, firstly, just going to discuss Bonk briefly, which is one of the premium Solana meme coins. Now, this had a bit of a move, and people are getting kind of overboard with this move. It was a decent move of 40 to 50%, so definitely a decent move. But with meme coins, I mean, that's not really that big a deal nowadays. But anyway, it's definitely moved off the lows, and we'll see how it goes. But at the same time, remember, Solana was all the way down to, I think, 86 or something, then moved back to 110 as well. So that could explain some of it. So just be aware of that. Now, the good thing with this particular one is you see very clearly at the bottom, a lot of volume came in. We haven't seen that with COQ INU as such. So we really want to see volume supporting things. When we start discussing the price and the tokens in just a minute, that's what we want to see at the bottom as well. The other Avalanche meme coins, we've got Landwolf here, which had a massive spike up during that news, because maybe people thought that this was more likely than some of the others to get the support from the Avalanche team. Who knows? And well, at the peak, it was more 600%, but at a place realistically where you might have sold, it was about 300%. So a decent move up there, but it's kind of been dying off, and we haven't really seen any recovery. So not a great sign with this one. Kimbo also not doing very well, although to be fair, from Twitter posts I'm seeing, they're trying to do an awful lot as a team to keep the interest, keep things pumping, keep things fresh. They're doing everything they can, but really price hasn't moved up that much. We got that little bit of a pump from when the Avalanche team had announced what they were doing. It wasn't much, 50% or so, and it's kind of died off and there's no volume. So to be honest, a lot of the other Avalanche meme coins aren't doing anything at the moment. If one or two of the longer term ones were popping off, I would be like, well, I'd be thinking, maybe COQ INU is going to kind of outperform there, but we've not really seen that. Now, in terms of actual token price, I'm on Dex Screener here, where I typically analyze meme coins. We've got the same chart here. And by the way, just point out, I've shown you the other Avalanche ones that have actually gone sideways or lower. So it is performing a little bit better than the other Avalanche meme coins, so obviously a good sign. Now, the market cap at the moment is sitting at 100 million, and to get to bonk is probably a 10x or more from here. So that's very possible. Now, in terms of the actual token price, realistically, let's say you had 10K invested in COQ INU right now. So 10K, to get a 10x, to get it to where bonk is, that could potentially turn it into 100,000 in terms of the value of your investment. Now, to get 100x out of this, where this goes to a 10 billion market cap, so overtakes things like Dogecoin, extremely unlikely in my opinion, because it doesn't have the history factor as a meme coin. It's not on as big a chain either. And generally, it has another issue where, meme coins do over time get very, very saturated as well. So it's something to be aware of there. So would I actually trade it right now? I'm not involved in this particular coin at the moment. Would I trade it? Well, if in terms of price action, we actually see it continue to outperform other Avalanche meme coins, even outperform AVAX, and start to curve round, then you have to wonder if something's going on. Because usually, if a coin was going to die off from here, this is usually what happens. And this is just me having seen hundreds and hundreds of these charts. Usually what happens is you get these little dead cat, nothing bounces, maybe goes up a little bit more and kind of dies back down, and then a little bit up, a little bit down, and then it slowly just fades away sideways and trails around where these lows were that we saw here on 29th December. That's usually what we see with coins that aren't going to do anything anymore. But the ones that start pumping, they curve around, start attacking here. We see lots of strong volume coming into the market. So if we're getting anywhere in this region, then I'm definitely interested, because it means something's going on. And then obviously you need to wait for a pullback, assess your risk as well in this particular coin, see how the meme coin market is doing in general. The good thing about checking the markets in general, which I always like to do, especially with the altcoins, but also with the meme coins, is if all of the meme coins are rallying during any given week, they all seem to be going up 10%, 20%, 30%, then that backs you in this position. So you're much more comfortable taking a long trade on COQ INU, knowing that the whole market's moving up anyway. So that protects you. Now, if it outperforms all of the others and the market's moving up, that's literally one thing plus another thing. That means, yeah, absolutely, you might be able to get a 2 or 3x out of this. But just keep an eye on the market cap. It's already on the high side for most meme coins. So that's where I would be wary. What do you think about COQ INU? What do you think will happen with the price in 2024? Comment below. Thanks for listening.